It's a first of its kind fuel station run by women convicts called Freedom Filling Station. 26 prisoners, including a few life convicts, have been chosen based on their good conduct in jail. They get back to the prison after their 8-hour shift. Authorities say the idea is to help them get rid of the stigma so they could restart their life with confidence and reintegrate with the community.
In a nutshell, this initiative of ours helps us in the reformation, rehabilitation, and reintegration of these women prison inmates into the mainstream of the society.
These women are paid a salary of 6,000 rupees. Officials say this will soon be increased to 10,000. Customers, mostly travelers and people from the local community, love the idea.
இதனால ஒரு சிறை கைதிகளை வந்து அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு கொண்டு போகிறது ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்கீம் தானே இது, புரியுங்களா? அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு இது வரும், ஏன்னா வெளியில் எப்படி இருக்குது தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். உள்ளே இருந்து அவங்க இன்னும் அதிகமான ஸ்ட்ரெச் தான் ஆவாங்க. வெளியில் கொண்டு வந்தாங்கன்னா நல்ல வெளி உலகமும் தெரியும், அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போவாங்க.
Over the years, Tamil Nadu Prisons Department is known for several pioneering initiatives for inmates, like promoting reading habits, education, even art and music. Many have completed schooling and higher education. Nalini Sriharan, convicted in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case for instance, completed MCA and even turned into an author before her release. A counseling program for first-time young remand prisoners, officials say, has ensured at least 10,000 of them did not turn into habitual offenders. Certainly, a new high in prison reforms. In Chennai, Cheryl Esther Juliana for tellmystory.ind.